So I'm in a long here on one of our funded accounts on NQ. And why are we in this trade? Okay, it's one mini we're in, not looking for the world here. Sorry, I thought I had my recording button going, and then I looked and it wasn't going. So we were up about, I don't know, $100 or so on this trade. Let's see here. So why are we in this trade? First off, you got a green background. You can't see it. I got it kind of light. Sorry about that, folks. But I don't want to go into my settings right now. So the Maverick AI Pro has given us a green background. Take my word for it, I guess. Maybe if you have a good phone or a good computer on maximum brightness, you can see it. But it is giving us a green background. Price is above the blue line. When price is above this blue line, we love to go long. Okay, we just love to go long. When price is above the blue line, we go long. When price is below the blue line, we love to go short. Okay, nice reversal candles, gray reversal candles to the downside. All right, beautiful. So I got my stop loss here just in case. You guys know I only risk a little bit on every trade. Okay, so boom, we just got stopped out. Big deal. I'm gonna wait for this to come back up. It's probably just a retracement like this, okay, because we're mostly bullish here. We're above the Maverick guide. We only had 2 closures below it. I didn't give it much room. All right, what did I give it? We just lose $40 or something like that. So that is 8 ticks, which is nothing on NQ, but we're trading minis and I like to stay funded. Okay, so we're probably just having a nice little retracement here. And just like this, 3 minutes of retracement, about 3 minutes of retracement. You're coming up to about 3 minutes of retracement. So I'm going to get back into this thing. Okay. We're back in. Move my stop loss right here. Again, you guys know I don't like to risk much. Watch my trade yesterday. The trade went over $700. I think I risked $45. Like, that's insane, right? This is so again, when I get emails where people are like, man, the Maverick indicators, love them. I passed an eval like my first day, and then I blew the funded account the next day on one trade. I'm like, how in the world? What were you risking to blow a funded $50,000 account in one trade? Like, risk like $40, $35 on a trade. Now, obviously, like gold, you have to give it a little bit more room. NQ can knock you out and then just keep taking off. So you just got to, this is part of trading. You know what I mean? So again, why are we back in this trade? Green background, bright green candles. We had a little bit of retracement just like this. Okay. Up confidence arrows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I didn't give it, we got stopped out right here for like $40. Big deal, because I didn't give it much room. I like to do small risk, high reward. Maverick trender, completely pegged to the top. Look, completely pegged to the top. When I got stopped out is where we lost our trend. And then now we're back in it. Okay, uptrend label, line completely pegged to the top. Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders. Think of these algorithms as traders. 5 traders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All with completely different styles. Completely different styles. Okay? And they are all voting across 6 time frames. The 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, the 15. Now you can set these time frames for whatever you want. And you can add a 7th time frame if you want, which is pretty awesome. But if you're more of a swing trader, you want it on the 30 minute, the 60 minute, the 90 minute, the 4 hour, that's fine. Set it for whatever you want. I know I've gotten a lot of you guys asking me, how do you get this up here on TradingView? NinjaTrader has to be at the bottom on TradingView up here. All you do is just go over to your indicators, all your indicators right here, and find your Maverick Multi-X and just drag it up the list. Just drag it up the list. Hopefully you guys can see that got in the recording, but it might get cut off in the recording. So on your right side, you have your panel of indicators. Just grab it and drag it up the list and it'll pop up here. All right. Cool. All right. So green background. Take my word for it. There is a green background. It's so light. I gotta darken that a little bit. I messed with my settings this morning. Green background, bright green candles. Again, the Maverick AI Pro is coloring your candles to the data we are seeing in the background. Right now, the data is saying up, up, up. It's saying buyers, buyers, buyers. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Gray is indecision or reversal, which this is early morning trading. Reversal, reversal. Okay. All right. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at it just drop. Look at all these down confidence arrows. Down confidence arrow. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, this thing just flew down. Crazy. Maverick trender, when this line is pegged to the top, it is showing maximum strength and momentum. I mean, just tons of strength and momentum, tons of strength and momentum, can't go any further. It's pegged to the top. We call these flat tops. Look at this flat top, green, whoosh, red, whoosh. Okay, I'll give you all the sound effects. Oh, look at this, a sell signal. Look at this, a sell signal. This is the Maverick signals. We're gonna be giving this to free to our Maverick AI Pro lifetime members, people that did the one-time payment. Pretty cool. Sell, dumped. I mean, just dumped. Okay. Pretty awesome. Now, again, this is middle of the night trading, so take it for what it's worth. You get a lot of interesting stuff in the middle of the night, but the folks that are actually, you know, making money on Wall Street, they're sleeping then. This is how you stress-free trade. Low risk, high reward. I used to risk so much on every single trade, blow accounts, you know, leverage way too much. Just like if I get stopped out, what I just showed you guys, I got stopped out. We lost $40. Who cares? Okay? Who cares? $40. All right, up confidence arrow, had a little bit of retracement, but look, for the most part, we're sticking with the Maverick guide. We're sticking with this blue line, all right? So I'm gonna let this thing just go. It's moving like molasses. It's early in the morning, but as long as the Maverick AI Pro is giving me bright green candles, an uptrend on the Maverick trender, it's pegged to the top, all 5 traders are still saying, you know, Maverick, you're good. You know, all 5 traders are voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 2, the 3, the 5, the 10. Like, there's no reason for me to get out. I've assumed my loss, small loss. I've assumed my loss, and now I just let the Maverick AI Pro guide me. We come up here, right? We come up here, and then we start turning, and I start getting red and pink candles. Guess what? I'm clicking that button. I'm getting out, I'm taking my profit. I'm moving on, right? Because the Maverick AI Pro is seeing something different in the data. Something different in the data, right? Okay. Cool. All right. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, you know, come check us out. Like I say, it's free to look. MaverickIndicators.com. Read what the traders are saying, what our traders are saying. Don't take my word for it. As I always say, not financial advice. Do your own research. No indicator is just an instant ATM. That you got to know what you're doing with trading. Like, you know, if you don't know what a candle is, like, please do not buy these indicators. You know what I mean? Like go learn that stuff and then come back to us. We're a software company. We love to make amazing indicators, and we have a sign up in our office right now that says 2026. Help as many traders as possible be successful. That is our mission for 2026. And that's our like guiding light for 2026. That's what we're all about. So this thing's going to keep pumping. Bright green candles, up confidence arrows, green background, all 5 traders voting bullish across 6 time frames, Maverick trender, uptrend, peg to the top. So I'm just going to keep watching this thing. This is a kind of a resistance level right here, so we're going to have to break past it. But all good. And now what I do is I go like this. Okay. If I can get this on top so you can see my profit. And now I'm at break even. I am playing with the house money. I'm up 200 bucks, okay? House money. I have nothing to worry about. I am not stressed. I am just hanging tight. Looks like the folks wanted to punch through this resistance level. All 5 traders voting bullish through 6 time frames. Still have my uptrend. Still completely pegged to the top. Bright green candles. What are we saying now? If you see bright green, it could fly right off your screen. I think that's like our saying, but way above the Maverick guide, up confidence arrows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just gonna let this thing ride. I'm at break even. Let's see how much profit we can take from this trade. And we only take what the market gives us. Okay, this isn't a video game. I can't really influence it. So I just watch my indicators and see what they tell me to do. All right. So if you want clear vision on your charts, okay, I always say this, but I truly mean it. If you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Not financial advice, do your own research. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And for my current members, give me about 2 more days and we're going to announce all those other free indicators that we're going to give the lifetime members. All right? All right, cool. Have a trade safe. Be profitable today. Go crush it. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.